I think it's a big brown.
a lake trout, dude.
Seriously?
Yeah, it's a lake trout.
I'm on Lake Nipigon, somewhere where I've always wanted to go. I'm fishing lake trout. Not any lake trout. Fish, 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 fish!
Yeah! Yes!
Yeah! This fish, dude, I have not gotten anything on this thing.
You know that, don't you? To the right.
Holy cow.
I'm heading out.
Holy cow. This is a big, big fish. We're on the model. There's the weights, there's the weights. Oh, holy man! Get on him!
That one's in
Holy cow! Look at the size of that lake trout!
Nice.
Holy cow! He's bigger than yours! Holy crap!
Nice job.
Look at that, Jason.
Oh,
Lake Nipigon lake trout! Nice! I'm pretty sure it's a big brown, dude.
No, it's a lake trout.